Getting hit with the authentication to Minecraft.net failed error and logged out of your world? Don't worry. We will break down exactly why this login issue happens and how to fix it step by step, whether it's a server-side glitch, outdated launcher, or account sync problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we will show you how to fix the authentication to Minecraft.net failed error. Let's dive in. Method 1. Verify date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings on your system can lead to authentication problems. Open Windows Settings, select Time and Language, then select Date and Time. Enable Set Time automatically and ensure the correct region is selected. To resolve the authentication to Minecraft.net failed error, you can also restart the launcher and device. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Close the Minecraft launcher and restart your computer and then check. Method 2. Check your account. Make sure you are logging in with the right account details. To check if your Minecraft account is correct, log into the Minecraft launcher with your associated Microsoft account. Click on the profile icon and select Manage Profile. Now check the profile information. If the displayed information is incorrect, log out and sign in with the correct Microsoft account details. Method 3. Log in and log out of the account. You can try logging out and then logging in back to the Minecraft launching, even if you have signed in with the correct account. A fresh login can sometimes fix the issue. Open Microsoft Launcher and click on your username icon from the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, click on the Logout option. After logging out again, log in with your credentials. Check if this fixes the problem. You can also restart your device and then launch the game again and check. Method 4. Flush DNS and reset the network configuration. Type CMD in the Windows search bar and right-click on Command Prompt. Choose the Run as Administrator option. Copy and paste the following line of commands in the elevated command prompt window and hit enter each time. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int ip v6 reset.log, netsh winsock reset catalog. After running all the above commands, check if you can play Minecraft without any errors. If not, then change the DNS. Method 5. Enable or disable VPN. If you are not currently using a VPN, try enabling one. This can help bypass regional restrictions or network blocks by routing your connection through a different location. On the other hand, if you already have a VPN active, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes VPNs can interfere with Minecraft's authentication servers. After making the change, restart the launcher and see if the issue is resolved. Method 6. Disable firewall temporarily. Press Windows +R, type firewall.cpl and hit enter. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public networks. Click OK and restart your PC. Make sure to turn on your firewall protection later, as your device is vulnerable to threats when you disable the firewall or antivirus. Method 7. Repair or reset Minecraft launcher. Go to the Start menu, type Minecraft, right-click on the Minecraft launcher, open App Settings. Within these settings, click on Repair. If this doesn't work, you can also reset it. Method 8. Reset Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key +R simultaneously. A window will appear, type in WSReset and hit enter. And that's it. Your login woes should be behind you, and you are all set to jump back into Minecraft. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more fast, reliable tech fixes. Still stuck or found a workaround that worked for you? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the Minecraft community strong.